This product completely changed my life forever. It took me from being a struggling entrepreneur trying to make things happen to being a multi-million-dollar dropshipper in just a few short months. Before I found success, I used to be that guy working day and night, desperate to find that one winning product that would turn the tables for me until it eventually happened. So in this video today, I'm going to do something that I've never done before and reveal the exact $1 million product that I sold on my store. I'm gonna reveal how I found it, why it worked so well, but why I wouldn't actually sell this product today exactly how I did before. You see, if you learn these important lessons I'm about to show you in this video and you take action on the information, there's no reason why you can't replicate this sort of success for yourself. Plus, if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get 100% free access to my full dropshipping course. So grab your notebooks, pens, or even open up a Google document so that you can take some notes, because what I'm about to spill to you is going to help you immensely. With that being said, let's get into the video. So this is inside of the Shopify store. You can see that it's doing over $10 million on this store alone. Now, this wasn't all attributed to that one product, but that product has done over 7 figures. And I will refresh the screen just so you can see for the haters and skeptics that are out there. I won't do any editing on this part either, so you can know that it's 100% real and 100% legit. And there you go, you can see that it's doing over $10 million on this store as well. Now, I don't actually run the store anymore, it's completely paused, so I can't show you the individual reports in the reporting to show you how much this product actually made, but you can see here on the analytics, you can see this product actually, we sold 121,000 units of this actual product here. You can see here of the salad fruit cut. So this is the product and I'm going to show you exactly what it is now. So this is the product. It's a salad chopping bowl and I'll show you exactly how it works in this video. So you put all of your fruit or salad inside of the bowl. You can then wash it. You then put the lid on top, flip it over and cut inside of these grooves. You can then change it to different direction and then cut in the other direction, and then what happens is when you finish you have perfectly sliced vegetables in a matter of seconds, which ultimately helps save time and helps people who are doing meal prep and those kind of things who want to eat a lot more healthier. And this product went absolutely nuclear for me. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I found this product because it wasn't using spy tools or anything like that, but let me show you on one of the spy tools that another competitor that was absolutely crushing it with this product alongside me. Now this is the actual video that I saw when doing a product research method, which again I will show you in a moment in time. But if you have a look at the engagement on this thing, it had 1 million likes on this video, close to 200,000 comments on it, and 758,000 shares on this one video alone. So this guy again probably made double what I made because my metrics on my adverts weren't like this anyway. One of the biggest issues that a lot of new dropshippers face is they can't find winning products. Now it's cringed saying this, but it's 100% true. It only takes one winning product to completely change your life. Now, getting good at product research is like going to the gym. The more you do it, the bigger and stronger you get. And over time, you develop an intuition of which products will potentially have a higher chance of success than others. If you pair that with a robust framework that helps you to analyze whether or not it's even worth testing out a product or not, then over time, your results get substantially better. Now, I'm gonna give you my framework in a moment in time, but first, let's have a look at how I actually found this product. So I actually found this product through Facebook. Now, it wasn't the usual way, such as just scrolling. It was actually in the video section. Now, in this video section feed here, as you can see, these are all viral videos from many different pages. If you have a look at the engagement here, we've got 132,000 likes on this one, 37 likes on this one, 3 million likes on this one here, and again, so on and so on. And it just happened that I found this cool product that just showed itself on here, which was obviously with the salad chopper. Now, I don't actually recommend you to do this method today because there's many different spy tools out there that shortcut the process. So doing things this way is just gonna waste your time. However, what you can do is you can come here and type in keywords. For example, I've just put in free shipping here. And if we have a look at these videos here, again, some of them will be new, some of them will be very old. For example, this one's December 2022. And again, not all of these are gonna be products that you can even sell. However, if we have a look at this ring here, it's got 2.2 million views on this here. So this may be something that we could potentially have a look at. Again, I don't recommend doing this method because there's loads of different spy tools out there, but this is initially how I found the product. Moments ago, I mentioned I'm gonna share with you my framework on how to assess whether or not it's even worth testing our product or not. Now, I've explained this in depth in most of my other videos, but in short, it all comes down down to 5 key steps. The first step is making sure that you are selling something which is already selling. Again, you don't want to try and find these untapped products. Even though this product itself was an untapped product, it was something that I just came across at random by luck. You'll have a higher success rate testing something which is already validated in the market than trying to find something which no one else is selling. The second point is making sure that it either solves a problem or actually has a wow effect. Now, most products will fit into either or of these categories. This product that I was selling fitted into both. When you know what type of product you're selling, it makes the marketing angle a hell of a lot more easier. The third thing is straightforward, and that's making sure that you can actually source the product. The fourth, and probably one of the most important parts, is making sure that there's enough margin inside of the product so that you can scale. Remember, you want to make sure that you can at least 3 to 4x the cost of goods. So if you're buying and shipping it for $10, you need to make sure that you can sell the product for at least $30 to $40 so that you have enough margin inside of the product to make profit and still sustain that profit when you scale. The fifth and final point is making sure that there's existing content online that you can use. You can go to places like TikTok and Facebook ads library and all these kind of places just to make sure that there's some content that you can use to test your product with to start with. Once you actually validated that it works, then obviously you can order the product into your house, shoot custom content, or send it out to influencers. Hopefully you get some value from this video, but if you want 100% free access to my full dropshipping course that covers everything that you need to know to first and foremost get your first dropshipping sale and scale up to at least $1,000 per day, then check the link in the description. You'll get 100% free access to the course. So why did this product work so well, and how was I able to scale it to the nuclear heights that it went to? Well, it was all down to 5 key reasons that I'm about to explain now. The first reason is it had a large total addressable market, or TAM for short. And this basically means that it appealed to a large number of people. Think about it for a second. This product was made for the kitchen, and everyone who has or is living inside of a home ultimately has a kitchen inside of their house. Now, this product could also be used by any gender, both men and female, and pretty much to any age in any country, resulting in a nuclear scale. The second reason is because it both solved the problem and also had a wow factor. Now, the majority of winning products usually only fit into one of those categories. However, this had both. It first and foremost solved the problem by saving people time when cutting up their veg or doing meal prep. And because of the mechanism of how the product actually worked, it actually had that wow factor because people had never seen this product like this before. The third reason is because I was one of the first to bring this product to market. Remember, I didn't find this on any spy tools that were available back then. I actually found it naturally from a Facebook video. It's very rare that you can be one of the first to bring a product to the market. However, if you are, then you will get the lion's share of the profits before all of the other dropshippers come to market and copy you. Now, what I will say is that if you are a new dropshipper, then it's definitely beneficial to stick to products that are already selling rather than trying to find these untapped products. Because if you're trying to find and test untapped products, it's kind of like finding a needle in a haystack. And if you're not a new dropshipper and don't know how to market, your risk of failure will be a lot higher. The fourth reason was because it was lightweight and easy to ship, meaning that we saved on shipping costs. And because it didn't have many moving parts at all, we rarely got any sort of disputes or chargebacks about the product arriving broken. Selling these types of products is good because, for example, if you're selling electronics, then you have a much higher rate of people having malfunctions with the products and things not working when it gets to their house. Now, with that being said, you can then also end up with chargebacks, refunds, and stuff that you don't really want to deal with. The fifth reason is it had enough margin inside of the product to scale. Now, at first, when I was selling this product, when I was testing it, I was using AliExpress. However, when it came down to scaling, I could no longer rely on AliExpress. So instead, what I done was I reached out to AliExpress supplier because he knew that I was already getting sales to see if we could work outside of the platform. When I done this, I was able to lower the cost of goods, meaning I was able to get the product and it shipped for around about $5. Now, we were selling the product for multiple different prices, but it was anything from around about $20 to $25. Now, Facebook ad costs were a hell of a lot more cheaper back then. And the Facebook scaling method that I was using back then was manual bidding when it was fairly kind of new. This allowed me to control the costs when I was scaling. But despite all of these positives, I wouldn't actually sell this product exactly how I did before. And here's why. The main reason is because this product is now saturated in the United States. And of course, the costs are way higher than what they previously were before. I think you can now get this product for around about $11, which is double from what I was previously paying. On top of that, Facebook ads costs are a lot higher. So making this profitable at $20 is just not going to be feasible. What you could do is take this product and sell it to a non-English speaking country like Germany, France, Belgium, Denmark, one of these countries that may have not seen it before, where the ad cost may be a little bit cheaper. You might also be wondering, well, if it was working so good, why didn't you actually turn it into a brand? Well, personally, I wasn't passionate about a bowl. It wasn't a product that I could actually put my heart and soul into the product and turn it into a brand, because it was just a pure cash flow play. Plus the product itself was very easy to copy. So even if I did decide to just put my logo on side of the product and white label it, it wouldn't have been enough to be able to separate the product away from everybody else inside of the market. So the question is, how can you replicate something like this in today's market? Well, the first thing is you need to make sure that you follow the 5-step framework for the product research to assess whether or not it's even worth testing out a product. Secondly, product research is something that you get better with over time. Yes, it is tedious, but it's like going to the gym. The more you go to the gym, the bigger and stronger you get. Same with product research. The more reps that you do and the more times you do it, the better you become at it and the more intuition that you develop to spot which product may be a winner. Now, in some way, you could say that I got lucky with this product. However, I'm a firm believer of you create your own luck, because if I wasn't scrolling and having my eye out for potential products, I never would have found this thing in the first place. Always remember that it only takes one product to completely change your life. So hopefully you got some value from this video, but one thing I do want to stress is that making $1 million from one specific product wasn't something that just happened overnight. It took me many products prior to actually find something that actually took off like this product did. As promised, if you want 100% free access to my dropshipping course, then the link for that will be in the description. Make sure, of course, you drop a like on this video if you got some value from it, and comment down below with any questions that you do have. I will be trying to answer as many of those as I possibly can. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. But that is it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.